Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created getTestResults API in our Spring Boot application, and in today's video, we will create ViewTestResults component with routing in our Angular application for the admins, and after this, we will call this getTestResults API. So let's get started. So in our Angular application, first of all, we need to create a new component in the admin module. And to do this, we will right click on this components folder and we will open it in integrated terminal. And in this terminal, we will give the command ng g for generate, c for component, and we will name this component as ViewTestResults. And as you can see, our component is ready. Now we need to create routing for this component, and to do this we will open admin_routing.module.ts, and in this file in the routes array we will duplicate this view test route, and after this we need to update the path and we will give this as view test results, and then we need to update the component and we will replace this view test component with view test results component, and we will import it from component slash view test result component. And with this our routing is completed. Now let's save this file, and now let's run our Angular application. And as you can see, our application is up without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our view test results component. And in the browser we will click on this login button, and after this we need to enter the details of admin user, and after adding the details we will click on this login button, and as you can see, after the login success we got redirected to the admin dashboard. Now let's click on this view results button, and as you can see we got redirected to the view test results route, and for the content of the page we can see view test result works, which is coming from the HTML file. Now let's go back to our Angular application and let's write the code to call the API. And in our Angular application, first of all, we need to create a method in the admin service. And to do this, we will open admin.service.ts. And in this service, let's copy this getAllTest method. And after this, we will paste this method here. And then we need to update the method name and we will replace this getAllTest with getTestResults. And after this we need to update the URL of the API, and after API slash test we will write slash test results. And with this our get test results method is completed in the admin service. Now let's save this file, and after this we will open view test results folder, and in this we will open view test results.component.ts. And in these components in the imports array, first of all we need to import the shared module, and we will add this import from our shared folder. And after this we need to create a variable to store the response of the API, and we will name this as results data, and the type of this will be any. And after this we will create a constructor in this component, and in this constructor we need to inject the admin service, and to do this we will write private and we will name this as test service, and after this we will mention admin service and we will add the import from the services folder. And after this we will create a method to call the API and we will name this as getTestResults, and in the body of this method we will use our test service, and after this we will call a method getTestResults, and after this we will subscribe the response and we will name this as res, and we will write an arrow function, and in this function we need to update the results data variable, and to do this we will write this dot results data is equals to, and after this we will write res here, and then we will write console.log statement, and in this we will pass our results data. And after this we need to call this getTestResults method on the load event of the page, and to do this we will use ng-on-init hook, and in this we will call our getTestResults method. And with this our code is completed to call the API and save the response in a variable. So let's save this file as well. And as you can see, our application got compiled without any errors. Now let's go to the browser and let's validate the functionality of our API. And in the browser we will hit F12 to open the console, and after this we will click on this view results button. And as you can see, on the initialization our API gets called and we got the response in the console, and in each object of this response we are getting number of correct answers, ID, percentage, and after this we are getting the test name, total questions and username. And that's it for today's video. In the next video we will create a table on this page, and after this we will write the code to show this data in the table.